We have a special unboxing with Hudson.
Yeah. Hudson.
I believe
Yeah.
these are all presents for Hudson. And this is from our wonderful channel supporter, MN.
MN, fantastic
now, I did
job.
The dangerous, you know, like scissors and stuff.
Look at Hudson.
Are you ready?
He loves it.
Yeah, MN loves
Yeah, Mom, I'm ready.
Oh, I'm right. There's things for Hudson and there's something for us.
Oh, nice.
First, treat for Hudson. Small, grass-fed beef sticks. Paw love.
Keep them away from Jim.
Ooh, Hudson's very interested, MN.
Oh, they smell good. Yeah.
Oh, they do smell good. Let's break it into a piece.
Here we go.
Oh, this is for him to chew on.
Yeah, it's like a chew.
These are hard sticks, so
nice.
he can't just have this now. He'll make a mess.
All right.
See, I'll just give a little
piece. And there he goes. Oh, he likes it.
Oh, he does like it. Should I give him another little piece?
Yeah, a little piece. Look at him.
Wow, they don't. There we go.
There you go.
They're tough.
Yeah,
like,
it's for Hudson.
It takes some force.
Yeah, it's for big boy Hudson.
Exactly, for big boy Hudson. So these are a hit. Grass-fed beef sticks.
Nice.
Then there's more treats for Hudson. Oh my God. Beef and sweet potato. Look, recipe. Biscuits.
Let's try a biscuit. Huds, what do you think?
Would you like a biscuit?
Look at him. Look at him sitting like.
Yes.
Yeah, Ma, I like doing this.
You know, he's got drool all over the place.
Yeah,
It's like,
this is
I
fun.
can't even open it.
This is fun.
Hold on. I have to use my teeth. Yeah, because he got drool on the bag and then I couldn't open it.
Yeah, look, he's still going. Nice. Yeah.
They smell really good.
Yeah, they sound good too. Oh, he loves them. He loves it. It's a success.
Approved.
Here, let me show it up close so I can get a focus. Yes, perfect.
He's in the bag.
He's in the bag. Nose is in the bag.
And then these are perfect. Perfect.
Oh, beautiful.
Extra good.
Oh, he loves them.
There's more.
He loves his balls. And he loves rope.
Oh, rope. It's the Wonder Pet. Let your dog play in a fun and wonderful way. I'll have to use the scissors to take this off and then we'll play down the hall.
Nice.
But wait, there's something else for us.
Coast is clear.
Let's give Hudson another grain-free sweet potato and beef treat.
Look, he's in there.
Look what MN got for us.
After so many trips.
Now
MN, fantastic job, finally.
You're a lifesaver because in our drives, I always have to hold the easy pass up.
But it's coming.
Now we can suction cup it to our rental car.
What a great idea. MN.
Look, it's just like, imagine that my hand's the windshield.
MN's on the ball.
It in there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
MN.
This is perfect.
Oh, it's going to save a lot of panic.
Because we had to pay a $10,
Look at Hudson.
we had to pay like a $10 fine because I didn't hold it up in time, remember?
Yeah.
In Maine.
Let's go down the hall.
Okay, let's go down the hall.
I'm going to pause it.
Okay, it's time to go down the hall with Hudson.
Coast is clear.
Ready?
Oh, he's ready.
Ha! Go get it. Go get it.
Here he comes.
Oh my God, look how cute.
He loves it.
Oh, he loves it. MN, thank you so much for the
fantastic job.
He loves them. And his toy, he's already disappeared playing with it. And, of course, the Easy Pass holder. It's going to be extra
huge,
good on our drive
huge.
back up to New York.
It'll be
Thank
huge.
you, MN.
Thanks, MN. Fantastic job.